right? Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Please take down the topic, indices. Here we have to learn indices rules. There are few rules to learn under this lesson. Let's learn indices rules one by one. Right, take down subtopic, product of powers, product of powers, product of powers with the same base, product of powers with the same base, product of powers with the same base, right? Pute, can you see this? Can you see this?
Yes.
5 to the power 7. Is it everyone see this? Can you see? Five to the power 7. Tarune?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Then you should know name of this one. This 5 is called the base, 7 is called index, right? Identify those things. You know these things. 5 is the base, 7 is the index. And this whole thing is called power.
Excuse me.
This whole thing is called power. මේ සම්පූර්ණ එකට මොකද්ද කියන්නේ පුතේ? power කියලා තමයි කියන්නේ. මේ base එකයි index එකයි දෙකම ගත්තම කියනවා power එකක් කියලා. හරිද? එතකොට මම තව එකක් ලියනවා 5 to the power 8. මේකත් එතකොට මොකද්ද? power එකක් නේද? 5 to the power 7, 5 to the power 8. You can see two powers. මේ දෙකටම කියන්නේ මේ 5 to the power 7 කියන්නේත් power එකක්, 5 to the power 8 කියන්නේත් power එකක්. මේ දෙක multiplication sign දාලා සම්බන්ධ කරාට පස්සේ අපි කියනවා product of powers කියලා. හරිද? දැන් product of powers කියන topic එකේ meaning එක තමයි මම explain කරේ. Right, product of powers කියලා කිව්වේ product of powers with the same base. Same base නේද තියෙන්නේ පුතාලා? පේනවද?
Sir.
ඔව්. Same base තියෙන්නේ. එතකොට product of powers with the same base කිව්වේ එකයි bases equal. එතකොට product එකක් වෙන්න නම් multiplications තියෙන්න ඕනේ. addition තිබිලා හරියන්නේ නැහැ. product කියන්නේ multiplication bases equal වෙන්න ඕන. ඕන ඕක තමයි topic එක. එතකොට අපි කරේ මේ powers දෙකක product එකක් ගත්තා. එතකොට මේක power එකක්, මේ තව power එකක්, මේ powers දෙකේ product එක තමයි මේ ගත්තේ. එතකොට මේකේ use කරන rule එක තමයි in the power of in the multiplication of these two powers we can have the answer of this 5 to the power base is not change, same base 25 එහෙම ලියන්නේ නැහැ. 5 times 5 25 කිව්වොත් වැරදි. එතකොට මෙහෙම multiply කරනකොට ගන්නේ common base එක ගන්නවා and add indices 7 plus 8. You take the answer 5 to the power 15 is the answer. ඔන්න මං answer එක ගත්තේ මොකද්ද? When we multiply powers with equal bases, right? when we multiply, listen to me, when we multiply powers with equal bases means 5. When we multiply powers with equal bases, have to add indices, 7 one index and 8 other index. Add these two. 5 plus 7 plus 8 is 15. 5 to the power 15 is the final answer. This is example 1. Then let's see example 2. 3 to the power 10 multiplied
Excuse me,
by
sir.
3 to the power 4.
Excuse me, sir.
Oh, ආන්න පුතේ.
සර් මේ ගිය සතියේ සර් මට කනෙක්ෂන් තිබ්බේ නැහැ සර්. ඒකේ රෙකෝඩින් එක ගන්න පුළුවන්ද ගිය සතියේ ක්ලාස් එකේ?
හරි මන් දෙන්නම් ඒක. හරි. ඒක දෙන්න.
හරි සර්, thank you.
හරි පුතේ. එතකොට ඔන්න බලන්න දැන් මේකේ 3 to the power 10 3 to the power 4 powers දෙකක් තියෙනව නේද? bases equal නේද දෙන්නගෙම? Can you see? Two powers and bases equal. When we
Yes, sir.
multiply two powers with equal bases, we have to add indices. So base is 3, then add indices 10 plus 4. Final answer is 3 to the power 14. Right? This is the thing. Can you understand this? In the multiplication of powers with equal bases, remember to add indices. That's the final answer. Right? Without multiplying bases, you add indices and write that index to the same base. This is the rule. A to the power m multiplied by a to the power n. Answer is a to the power මොකක්ද එන්න ඕන? m plus n. මෙන්න මේ වගේ bases equal වෙලාවට මොකක්ද අපි කරන්න ඕන? මෙන්න මේ rule එක apply කරන්න ඕන. When the bases equal, you please add indices. This is the first rule. Right? First index rule. Please take down this. Product of powers with same base. That's the topic, subtopic. Under that, take down these things. Right? Darune, finish?
Finish, sir.
Right. Okay. Let's see. Come to finish. Come to. Nad. Right. You please simplify these things. Take the answer. ඔගොල්ලෝ දැනගන්න ඕන පුතා මේ ඕන මේක දැන් x නම් x equal වෙනවා x to the power 1. a equal වෙනවා a to the power 1 කියන එක තමයි a කියලා කියන්නේ. හරි මේ 1 කියන එක ගන්න ඕන අපි. x තිබුණොත් x to the power 1 a තිබුණොත් a to the power 1 කියලා. එතකොට තමයි simplify කරන්න ලේසි.
Finish, sir.
Right, very good. How about the others? Yenuki?
Finish, sir.
Very good. Heleni?
Finish.
Right. Kavindu? Kavindu, where are you? Right, okay, let's see. In the multiplication of powers, we have to add indices. Base is 5. Add these two, 6 plus 2, 8. 5 to the power 8 is the answer. Please check your answers. Is it correct? Tarindu?
Yes, sir.
Right. Next
Yes, sir.
one, 2 to the power 7, 2 to the power 3. Ute bases equal. When bases equal, we can add indices. Answer is 2 to the power 7 plus 3 is 10. Please check your answers. Next one, bases equal 8. 8 is a base. Common base, I'll take 8. Add indices. 3 plus 4 is 7. Answer is 8 to the power 7. Please check third one. Next one, 7 to the power 5, 7 to the power 3, bases equal. Let's add indices. 5, 3, 5 plus 3 is 8. Next one, m to the power 6, m to the power 14, bases equal. Base is m. 6 plus 14, what's the answer? M to the power 20. Please check your answers. 10 to the power 8, 10 to the power 9, bases equal. Base is 10. Let's take the answer by adding indices. 8 plus 9, 17. 10 to the power 17 is the answer. Next one, bases equal. Common base is 5. Add indices. 92 plus 8. Answer 5 to the power 100. Right? I told you that if it is given a means a to the power 1, a to the power 9, a to the power 1. Answer is a to the power 10. Please correct. A to the power 10. Next one, 5 to the power 8, 5 to the power 3, bases equal. You can add indices. 5 to the power 3 plus 8 is 11 is the answer. Next one, bases equal. 6 to the power 4, 6 to the power 8, 6 to the power 8 plus 4, it is 12. 6 to the power 12 is the answer. Here you can see 3 terms, 3 powers, but rule same. Bases equal, it is 3. Add indices. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 6, 11. Answer is 3 to the power 11. Right, Darwani?
Right, sir.
Right. Next one, 4 to the power 8, 4 to the power 2, 4 means 4 to the power 1. You should know it. Then 4 to the power 8, 4 to the power 2, 4 to the power 10 by adding these two. Then 4 to the power 10 plus 4 to the power 1. That means add another 1 to 10. Answer 4 to the power 11. 4 to the power 11 is the answer. Right? Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then there in the 13th question, we can see two bases, two type of bases. Remember that we can't simplify different bases. Here only you take equal bases. 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power 7. We can simplify that one. 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power 3 and 10 to the power 7 bases equal. That's why you add it and write to answer 10 to the power 3 plus 7, 10 to the power 10. That's all for 10 bases. Then let's simplify 7. 7 to the power 3, 7 to the power 4, bases equal. You can add these two, 3 and 7. Answer 7 to the power 7. Hereafter, don't simplify because this is the base 10, this is base 7. We can't apply this rule for the different bases. මේ rule එක කිසිසේත්ම different bases වලට apply කරන්න බෑ. Bases equal වුණොත් විතරමයි මේ indices add කරන්න පුළුවන් වෙන්නේ. මෙතනින් නවත්තන්න ඕන final answer එක. හරිද? check කරගන්න පුතාලා. Next one, 9 to the power 3, 9 to the power 15. Answer is 9 to the power 18 by adding indices. Please correct this.
Finish, sir.
Yes. Let's move to the to another part. See this. 2x to the power 3 into 3x to the power 4. When we have like this sum, first you multiply numbers. 2 times 3 is 6. Then x to the power 3 multiplied by x to the power 4 means x to the power, add indices x to the power 7. Take down this example. The way of simplifying indices with coefficients. And then you try it.
Finish, sir.
Right. Is everyone finished? Yanuki, Eleni, finish.
Finish, sir.
Right. Okay. Numbers multiply first. 5 times 10 is 50. X, then apply indices rules. X to the power 7, x to the power 20. Answer x to the power 27. Add 20 and 7. Answer is 50 and x to the power 27. This one, 4 times 5 is 20. Multiply numbers, then x, simplify indices. X to the power 2, x to the power 6 bases equal. Then you can add x to the power 8 is the answer. Next one, multiply numbers. 8 times 2, 16. 16 times 2, 32 is the answer for numbers. Then let's take algebraic indices, exponents. X to the power 3, y to the power 3, y to the power 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. Y to the power 8 is the answer. Right? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Okay. Then the next one. I have sent you booklet. I don't know whether you saw it or not. බැලුවද ඒ බුක් එක? ඒකේ A to Z ඔක්කොම indices වලට rules ඔක්කොම තියෙනවා. ඒ බුක් එකේ. right? Did you see? Can you see this, Aruni?
Yes, sir.
Okay. මේක මේ ලෝක ගෝලයක් තිබුණාට මේක ඉන්ඩිසස් තියෙන්නේ. මේක මේ පොඩි පන්ති වල ටික මේ තියෙන්නේ. මේව ඕගොල්ලෝ දන්න ටික. මම මේක ස්කිප් කරගෙන යනවා. මේකේ මේවා ලියන්න පුළුවන් නේ ඕගොල්ලොන්ට. මෙතන බලන්න 2 to the power කීයද? 1 2 3 4
2 to the power 5.
2 to the power 5 කියලා ලියන්න පුළුවන්. මේකේ 5 කීයද? 5 to the power කීයද? 8 to the power කීයද? මේ ඔක්කොම A to Z තියෙනවා, right? ඊළඟට යනවා අපි ඊළඟ කොටස් වලට යමු. දැන් අපි කරන පාර්ට් එකට එනවා මම. right මෙතන දැන් බලන්න මේක පුළුවන්ද කියලා 2 to the power 2 2 to the power 3 2 to the power 5 write each expression in expanded form and value it කියලා කියන්නේ මේකේ value එක හොයන්න කියලා කියනවා දැනටම අපි rule එක විතරක් use කරමු මේකේ first එක correct ද wrong ද බලන්න 2 to the power 2 2 to the power 3 2 to the power 5 right නේද 2 to the power 5 තියෙන ඉස්සරහින් 4 to the power 3 4 to the power 3 answer 4 to the power 6 correct 3 to the power 4 3 to the power 4 පේනෝ නේද answer එක 3 to the power 4 3 to the power 3 3 to the power 7 5 to the power 5 5 to the power 3 5 to the power 8 කියලා ඔයගොල්ලන්ට ගන්න පුළුවන් හරි දැන් ඊළඟට කියන්න බලන්න ඊළඟ question එක second එක බලන්න what do you notice about each pair of answers in question number 1 මේ answers ගැන මොනවද කියන්න පුළුවන් notice කරන්න පුළුවන් are they wrong or correct correct expressions ඊට පස්සේ is it true that 2 to the power 4 multiplied by 2 to the power 6 is equal to 2 to the power 10 give your answer is it correct is this statement correct or wrong this expression පුතේ correct the wrong the true or false
True.
this is true why the 10 is taken by adding two indices that's the reason the 10 was taken by adding the indices that's why it's true you can write reason like this determine whether each equation true or false justify your answer a tell me is it true or false
True.
true 5 plus 5 10 b දරුවනේ යනුකී පේනවද මේවා මේ ස්ක්‍රීන් එකේ තියෙන ටික ඔයගොල්ලන්ට පේනවද පුතාලට
Yes, sir.
පේනෝනේ හැමෝටම ඊට පස්සේ 6 to the power 3 6 to the power 7 6 to the power 21 කියන එක හරිද
False.
that's false because මෙතන multiply කරලා අරන් තියෙන්නේ අපි indices add කරන එකයි කරන්නේ 4 to the power 3 4 to the power 9 answer 27 කියලා is it true or false
False.
false මෙන්න මේ වගේව දෙන්න පුළුවන් විභාගෙට ඔයගොල්ලෝ දැනගෙන ඉන්න ඕනේ හරියට rule එක දන්නවනම් එතකොට අපි වැරදි එක ටක් ගාලා හොයත හැකි 5 to the 3 to the power 5 3 to the power 10 it is 15 is it true or false
True.
අන්න ඒක true right ඊළඟට කියනවා write in words as a formula the rule for multiplying a to the power m a to the power n two terms with the same base මේකේ rule එක ලියන්න කියලානේ අපිට කියන්නේ මේකේ rule එක කොහොමද ගන්නෙ අපි මේකේ rule එක ගන්න නම් අපිට කරන්න තියෙන්නේ මේ a to the power m එකයි multiply කරනවා a to the power n එකයි මේක මම දුන්නා ඔයගොල්ලන්ට මොකක්ද ආන්සර් එක a to the power m plus
M plus n.
n ඔන්න ඕක තමයි ඔය ලියන්න කියන්නේ අපිට මේ රූල් එක ලියන්නනේ කියන්නේ